Hello students, in this video we are going to study Poisson distribution. What is Poisson distribution? Okay, earlier we studied binomial distribution. It is a discrete probability distribution. Same here, Poisson distribution is also a discrete probability distribution, but it derived from the binomial distribution. That means extension of this binomial distribution. Okay, so earlier we know what is binomial distribution. If x is when x is said to follows a binomial distribution. Okay, if n is finite, that means the number of trial is finite. Then the second one is trials are independent. Okay, each trial are should be independent. Then the third one is probability of success, which is denoted by P, is constant for each trial. And the fourth one is each trial result in two mutually exclusive and exhaustive outcomes. Mutually exclusive means either this or that, that means either success or failure. So each trial results in two mutually exclusive and exhaustive outcomes, means if we take the union of that two, we will get S. Okay, and the probability mass function is denoted in this way, na? P of x is equal to small x, that is NCx, P raised to the power x, Q raised to the power n minus x. So we are going to study the Poisson distribution. The changes here are n is finite. In binomial distribution n is finite, but in Poisson distribution n is indefinitely large, that is n tends to infinity. Okay, and P, the probability of success is constant for each trial. Same here, it is constant, but it should be it tends to 0, that means it should be very small. Okay, P should be small, n is large here, and NP is denoted in this way, lambda. Okay, then the under the following condition, we can say x follows a Poisson distribution if their probability mass function is given in this way. P of x is equal to e raised to the power minus lambda, lambda raised to the power x divided by x factorial. Okay, where x goes from 0, 1 to up to infinity, because here n is not limited, it is not finite, so it should be x should be 0, 1, 2 up to infinity. So this is the Poisson distribution probability mass function, and it is derived when we take the limit of this function. Okay, when we take the limit, that means limit n tends to infinity of this function, we will get this function. So Poisson distribution is a limiting form of binomial distribution. Okay, so that derivation we will do in next video. That means when we take the limit of n tends to infinity, we will get this probability mass function of Poisson distribution. So this is the probability mass function of Poisson distribution. And earlier, as we did the mean and variance, same here we have to find the mean and variance. Okay, so the mean of this will be, as we know, mean is x expectation of x. So same, we take the summation of x px. Okay, that means summation of x px, in place of px we put this function, this probability mass function, and in the same way as we derive for binomial distribution, in the same way we derive for Poisson distribution. And variance also, variance same as we derive for binomial distribution, in the same way we derive mean and variance of the Poisson distribution, but here we take this probability mass function in place of this. Okay, earlier for binomial we took this probability mass function px value this. So while deriving the mean and variance of the Poisson distribution, we take this probability mass function. Okay, and the same way here we get mean and variance same, that is NP, which is denoted by lambda. So the mean and variance of the Poisson distribution is same, that is NP. Okay, here mean is NP, variance is NPQ, but in Poisson distribution, after deriving we get the mean of the Poisson distribution is NP and the variance is also NP. So we can say mean and variance of the Poisson distribution is lambda. Okay, so in my next video I am going to show you how to derive this probability mass function of the Poisson distribution from the binomial distribution, just because it is a limiting form of binomial distribution. And then same way as you have done problems for binomial distribution, in the same way you have to do the binomial Poisson distribution problems. So for that we need here, look here, the formula e raised to the power minus lambda, lambda is equal to x factorial. So lambda is only the parameter here, so lambda is np, so np, these are the parameters. Okay, so if we know n, what is the n value? Okay, infinite means it should be large. Okay, suppose 200 or 300, whatever be the value of n. And p, the probability of success, which tends to 0, mean it should be very small. So we need to find lambda first, and then we put here whatever be the value of x. Suppose we are asked to find the value for 5, so we put 5 here. Then we evaluate this np and write the lambda value here, and lambda raised to the power this x value. If it is 5, so we put here 5, and if here also 5 factorial, and then in this way we evaluate this. So this mathematical part is not so critical, we can easily, and the derivation is also not critical from how to derive Poisson distribution from the binomial distribution. The derivation is also not so critical. So let's we will study it afterward. Hope you got the idea what is Poisson distribution. It is also a limiting form of binomial distribution. Okay, it's come from the binomial distribution. Only the difference is here n is indefinitely large and p tends to 0. Okay, others are same, only the difference, the p, whatever be the value of p, it should be small here, and n, that the number of time the experiment is repeated should be more, that is n tends to infinity. Thank you.